Remember when ChatGPT shocked the whole world in 2022 with its ability to understand and generate human-like text? Well, if you thought ChatGPT was impressive, get ready to have your mind blown. Because with ChatGPT 4o, the future of AI has arrived and it's going to change the game like never before. So here are the latest updates on the most groundbreaking AI model of our time. So as you may have already heard, OpenAI unveiled its latest groundbreaking creation, GPT-4o or Omni, during its first ever consumer spring update event. This revolutionary AI model is a true game changer, marking a significant leap forward in the field of artificial intelligence. Unlike its predecessor, GPT-4, the new GPT-4o model is natively multimodal, capable of understanding speech and responding with speech. But that's not all. OpenAI has also announced major upgrades to its ChatGPT platform, including enhanced search functionality, expanded support for uploading various file formats like video and audio, and most notably, granting access to GPT models and other advanced features to users who are not currently subscribed to the Plus plan. However, the rollout of these exciting new developments is a gradual process. Not everything is available immediately, and not all features are accessible to everyone right away. OpenAI has also begun the process of slowly rolling out GPT-4o to free plan users in the coming weeks, albeit with a usage limit that is 5 times lower than that of a Plus plan subscriber. Now let's dive deeper into 8 specific features that makes this multimodal marvel truly exceptional. One of the most remarkable features of ChatGPT 4o is its ability to deliver near-instantaneous responses, making interactions feel incredibly natural and immediate.
Hey, ChatGPT, how are you?
I'm doing fantastic. Thanks for asking. How about you?
We're talking about response times as low as 232 milliseconds, which is practically indistinguishable from human conversation. This real-time capability extends beyond just text, as the model can also perform real-time translations across multiple languages and interpret visual and audio inputs on the fly.
Mark, io mi chiedo, se le balene potessero parlare, cosa ci direbbero?
Mike, she wonders if whales could talk, what would they tell us?
They might ask, how do we solve linear equations?
Potrebbero chiederci come risolviamo le equazioni lineari.
So whether you're conversing in your native tongue or showing the AI an image or video, it can comprehend and respond in the blink of an eye, keeping the flow of communication seamless and uninterrupted. ChatGPT 4o is truly multimodal, capable of handling text, audio, and image inputs and outputs. This integration of modalities into a single model means that we can engage with the AI in the most versatile manner, making it significantly better at understanding vision and audio compared to its predecessors. But it's not just about understanding. ChatGPT 4o can also generate outputs in various modalities, opening up a whole new realm of possibilities for communication and expression. With this AI by your side, you'll be able to convey your ideas in the most effective and impactful way possible, whether through written text, vivid imagery, or even spoken word. Efficiency is the name of the game with ChatGPT 4o, as it generates responses twice as fast as the previous GPT-4 Turbo model without compromising quality. This speed boost not only enhances the overall experience, but also enables us to tackle more complex tasks with greater ease and alacrity. Similar to its prowess with video and images, ChatGPT 4o also possesses the remarkable ability to ingest and generate audio files. But what truly sets it apart is the level of control it offers over the generated voice. We can adjust the speed of communication, alter tones on command, and even request the AI to sing.
In a room with a stylish view, a person stood in sleek black and light hue.
Moreover, the model can understand the nuances of input audio, providing feedback on everything from language pronunciation to the pace of your breathing exercises. This level of auditory comprehension opens up a world of possibilities for language learning, fitness coaching, and even musical collaboration. Have you ever wished your AI assistant could truly see what you're showing it? Well, with ChatGPT 4o, that dream is now a reality. This model can understand video input, analyzing both the visuals and accompanying audio to provide you with comprehensive insights. And that's not all. ChatGPT 4o can even generate short videos, opening up a whole new realm of possibilities for creative expression and communication. However, the most exciting aspects of ChatGPT 4o is its accessibility. OpenAI has ensured that all users, regardless of their subscription plan, have the opportunity to experience the advanced features of this multimodal assistant. Free users can now access ChatGPT 4o with certain usage limits, ensuring that everyone gets a taste of the future. OpenAI has also made ChatGPT 4o accessible through various APIs, including chat completions, assistance, and batch. This means that you can seamlessly integrate the power of this multimodal AI into your own applications and workflows, unlocking a world of possibilities. Imagine building chatbots that truly understand their users, creating educational tools that adapt to individual needs, or breaking down communication barriers with real-time translation capabilities. But the potential doesn't stop there. With the APIs at your disposal, you can leverage ChatGPT 4o's capabilities to enhance existing systems, streamline processes, and blaze new trails in industries ranging from healthcare to finance, education to entertainment. And the best part? OpenAI has made accessing and authenticating with the ChatGPT 4o API a breeze. All you need is an OpenAI account, which can be a free or paid tier depending on your needs, and an API key, and you're all ready to unlock a world of innovation and creativity. In today's globalized world, language should never be a barrier to communication. That's why ChatGPT 4o supports more than 50 different languages, with significant advancements in text processing for non-English languages. This multilingual prowess, coupled with real-time translation capabilities, ensures that users from diverse linguistic backgrounds can engage with the AI effortlessly. But it's not just about understanding and generating text in different languages. ChatGPT 4o's multilingual capabilities extend to its audio and visual processing as well. So whether you're showing the AI an image with text in a foreign language or playing an audio clip in a dialect you're unfamiliar with, it can comprehend and respond with the same level of fluency and accuracy as if it were in its native tongue. But this is all just the beginning. As OpenAI continues to push the boundaries of what's possible with artificial intelligence, we can only imagine the exciting new developments that lie ahead. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think about ChatGPT 4o and how it might impact your life or industry. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay up to date with all the latest news and developments in the world of AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.